Today we're going to learn how to use Word 365 to create an automated transcript. We will start with a blank document and I will go to the Dictate tab. I will then choose Transcribe. I will then upload the audio I want to transcribe. The AI embedded in Word will now transcribe that audio. I interviewed Cheryl Fulgham from Haywood Community College for the VLC podcast. We had an interesting conversation on onboarding, and now I want to transcribe that conversation. So I open the file I have, and Word is going to start transcribing the audio that I loaded. And it takes a minute or two for the software to work. And now it's automatically saved to my OneDrive. I'm going to change speaker 1 and speaker 2, so I'll just hit Control H. And I'll type in speaker 2 here. And of course, speaker 2 is Cheryl Fulgham, so I'll type in Cheryl's name. And then I'll click Replace All, and there you have it. I'll then change speaker 1. And I'll type in my name. You may have to clean up a little bit with spellings and punctuation, but it's surprisingly accurate.